as said, like we really want to compete against big cloud providers at their own game.
And what is the timeline for your launching? Are you fully funded? You said you're moving over to the second. You're moving from test
mainnet. Yeah, so we are on a test environment right now, and end of the year we're looking for mainnet. And so mainnet means we want to have a large number of high quality capacity providers.
Yeah.
So we're talking a lot with Filecoin miners, for example, which are very high grade. We're very interested in competing for centralized cloud serverless users against those players. And so we want to be able to offer SLAs in at least at the level they're providing, trying to be in excess, even with better SLAs at a much lower price point.
And what is your hope being here at Consensus?
Consensus has actually been it's really interesting because it's a very unique mix of participants, visitors, both from investor perspective, but also from a adopter perspective. Not so much the hardcore developer, which we reach through hackathons. We're in East Denver, in those areas, but the management side of IT. So we've talked a lot to CTOs, CIOs, project leads that are here at Consensus, and that's very interesting for us, not only in terms of spreading our message, but also getting feedback. This is, and it's been luckily extremely positive feedback so far, so it's been great. But you do need feedback. We've been heads down for the last 2.5 years, 3 years developing. And now we're in a validation phase to a certain extent, and Consensus has been proven so far extremely helpful in for us conducting that kind of research.
That's excellent, and I think the space has been so beat up over the last 2 years. People probably have war stories, and they've all kind of learned different things. So coming together, people of like minds.
Yeah, and also sort of from as said, like we really want to compete against big cloud providers at their own game. So it's important for us, even though the Web3 community itself is our home. It's our home community. It's good to reach out to people and interact with potential adopters that don't necessarily have the Web3 ethos. They don't bleed the Web3 ethos, but are still interested in taking advantage of what this Web3 and decentralized, highly distributed systems can provide them with.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. We had a great time here at Consensus. At the Texas Blockchain Council, we are striving to be the nexus between traditional industries, banking, finance, legal, energy, and the digital asset industry. So we want to help you get your brand in front of those kinds of companies with B2B opportunities. Reach out to us if that's of interest for membership or for sponsorship at the summit. Hope to see you there in November in Fort Worth. Thanks again. We look forward to seeing you at the summit.